Stock market crash of 100 famous stocks on March 12, 2020 by number one stock picking app, 2stx.com. Let's open the app. And China Petroleum dropped 6.7%. Apple dropped 9.8%. Microsoft dropped 9.4%. Amazon dropped 7.9%. Alphabet dropped 8.2%. Alphabet dropped 8.2%. Alibaba dropped 6.9%. Facebook dropped 9.3%. Berkshire Hathaway dropped 6.8%. Berkshire Hathaway dropped 9.5%. Vodafone dropped 10.4%. Visa dropped 7.4%. Johnson & Johnson dropped 4.8%. Walmart dropped 9.07%. Changhua Telecom dropped 2.1%. Taiwan Semiconductor dropped 6.8%. JP Morgan Chase dropped 8.2%. Procter & Gamble dropped 8.7%. MasterCard dropped 10.4%. United Health dropped 9.8%. S&P 500 index dropped 9.5%. AT&T dropped 9.2%. Verizon dropped 6.6%. Home Depot dropped 10.4%. Coca-Cola dropped 9.6%. Intel dropped 11.8%. Merck dropped 6.06%. Novartis dropped 9.8%. Bank of America dropped 9.5%. Toyota Motor Corporation dropped 8.6%. Pfizer dropped 6.6%. Walt Disney dropped 12.9%. PepsiCo dropped 11.11%. Comcast Corporation dropped 7.8%. ExxonMobil dropped 11.4%. China Mobile dropped 7.6%. Chevron dropped 8.1%. Cisco dropped 10.3%. Netflix dropped 9.9%. Adobe dropped 9.5%. Nvidia dropped 12.2%. Abbott Laboratories is going up 3.9% now. Oracle dropped 11%. McDonald's dropped 9.6%. HSBC dropped 7.6%. Salesforce dropped 9.04%. Costco dropped 5.9%. S&P dropped 9.9%. Eli Lilly dropped 10%. Bristol Myers Squibb Company dropped 6.6%. AbbVie dropped 7.3%. Nike dropped 11.6%. Royal Dutch Shell dropped 14.9%. PayPal dropped 6.7%. Medtronic dropped 8.7%. Philip Morris dropped 9.5%. Sanofi dropped 8.7%. Royal Dutch Shell dropped 14.6%. Wells Fargo dropped 15%. ASML Holdings dropped 8.8%. Thermo Fisher Scientific went up 3.6%. Amgen dropped 8.2%. Novo Nordisk dropped 7.7%. Tesla dropped 11.6%. Next Era Energy dropped 13.4%. Honeywell International dropped 12%. Accenture dropped 7.6%. American Tower Corporation dropped 6.4%. Sinopec Shanghai dropped 4.3%. IBM dropped 12.8%. Union Pacific dropped 6.7%. Citigroup dropped 14.8%. Texas Instruments dropped 8.4%. GlaxoSmithKline dropped 8.4%. United Technologies dropped 4.6%. Charter Communications dropped 5.1%. Danaher Corporation dropped 7.5%. Total SA dropped 15.6%. HDFC Bank is going up 10%. Lockheed Martin Corporation down 12.7%. Broadcom dropped 11%. Boeing dropped 18.1%. Gilead Sciences dropped 6%. British American Tobacco dropped 8.4%. Lind plc dropped 9.1%. Royal Bank of Canada dropped 10.5%. Anheuser-Busch dropped 10.5%. 3M Company dropped 9.2%. Diageo dropped 4.4%. Qualcomm Incorporated dropped 10.1%. SVC Health Corporation dropped 10.9%. United Parcel Service, so UPS, dropped 2.07%. Fidelity National Information Services dropped 10.6%. Starbucks Corporation dropped 9%. BP, British Petroleum, dropped 12.5%. Sony dropped 9%. Unilever dropped 8.3%. Nasdaq 100 index dropped 9.1%. Lowe's dropped 9.3%. Mandela's International dropped 9.2%. The Toronto Dominion Bank dropped 11.1%. Altrade Group dropped 10%. American Express dropped 12.4%. Dominion Energy dropped 11.4%. T-Mobile US dropped 11.2%. General Electric dropped 11.9%. Anthem is going up 5.2%. Fiserv dropped 7.3%. Crown Castle is going up 5%. The TGX companies dropped 11.2%. Intuit dropped 8.8%. CME Group dropped 11.5%. Southern Company down 9.9%. Cigna Corporation dropped 12.2%. Becton Dickinson and Company is going up 2%. Unilever plc dropped 7.2%. BlackRock dropped 10.3%. Dominion Energy is going up 6.4%. Duke Energy Corporation dropped 11.5%. Stryker Corporation is going up now 7.5%. Allergen dropped 5.8%. Zoetis dropped 7.6%. The Estee Lauder company dropped 8.7%. Automatic data processing is going up now 5%. JD.com dropped 7.8%. Colgate dropped 7.2%. The Southern Company dropped 10.3%. S&P Global is going up now 6.9%. Rio Tinto Group dropped 9.0% or 1%. Takeda Pharmaceutical Company dropped 12%. Intuit Surgical is going up now 4.5%. Vertex Pharmaceuticals dropped 7.3%. Chubb Limited dropped 11%. Booking Holdings is going up now 6.4%. Enrich Inc. dropped 16.7%. Mitsubishi dropped 11.4%. BHP Group dropped 12.7%. Goldman Sachs dropped 12.3%. ServiceNow dropped 9.8%. Prologis dropped 4.7%. Equinix is going up now 5%. Northern Grumman Corporation dropped 8.6%. Caterpillar dropped 8.3%. Canadian National Railway Company dropped 9.1%. Banco Santander dropped 15.1%. US Bancorp dropped 12.7%. The Blackstone Group dropped 15.4%. Morgan Stanley dropped 15%. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals dropped 7%. Ecolab dropped 11.5%. CNOOC Limited is going up 8.7%. Global Payments dropped 8.6%. Marsh & McLennan Companies dropped 6%. Brookfield Asset Management dropped 13.6%. Target Corporation dropped 12.2%. Biogen dropped 8.6%. Advanced Micro Devices dropped 14.6%. Ambev dropped 8.4%. The Bank of Nova Scotia dropped 13.4%. Sherwin-Williams Company dropped 7.2%. Shopify dropped 10.5%. Westpac Banking Corporation dropped 14.1%. Western Alliance Bank Corporation dropped 9.4%. Illinois Toolworks dropped 11.5%. Boston Scientific is going up now 2.9%. Valley dropped 15.7%. Micron Technology is going up now 7.7%. Activision Blizzard dropped 8%. NetEase dropped 7.8%. Intercontinental Exchange, or ICE, dropped 12.2%. Kimberly-Clark Corporation dropped 8.8%. Relx plc dropped 11.1%.